Hi, so I'm here in my powder room, and my husband and I added this beautiful wainscoting a few years ago, which was really easy to do. And I felt like it needed a little bit of color in here. So since I work with Portuguese tiles and all of my work is based on Portuguese tiles, check out my earrings. I thought it would be fun to add some Portuguese tiles. Now normally they would be, most of them are blue and white, but I felt like blue and white might be a little bit too colorful. I was looking for more like a charcoal or a black application. So I chose some of my favorite Portuguese tiles, which are these. They're 16th century from the Igreja da Misericordia in Fado in the Algarve, Portugal. And the church was founded in 1583, and these tiles line the whole atrium on the outside of the church. You should check it out if you go there. So what I'm going to do, and I've never done this before, is I'm going to put some Mod Podge on the behind. Then I will add this. This was just a printed piece of paper that my husband did. And then when it's dry, I will put Mod Podge over the exterior. So wish me luck. Okay, so what am I learning? The best thing that I've found, because we have builder's grade paint on our walls, is to first slosh a whole lot of the, I'm using gel medium on the wall, kind of to wet it. And another thing I've learned is that paper is not the same as wallpaper. You get like one shot to do it, and you can't lift it up and try again. You just get one shot, and I've come to the realization that my work of art here is going to be textured, let's call it that. So once I slosh it with a kind of a thick layer, then I'll go over it again, pretty thick, keep it wet, and then you gotta work really fast, try to line it up. And smoothly press it. That's it.